Dear student, today we have to study about energy of a body performing rolling motion. बहुत ही सिंपल टॉपिक है और जेई नीट और सीईटी में इसके एमसीक्यू हमेशा पूछे जाते हैं, सो इसके लिए हमें इसको अच्छे से करना है। सो बहुत सिंपल टॉपिक है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिकैप करना है आपको व्हाट इज मीन बाय मोशन। मोशन मीन्स वेरी सिंपल, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द टू वर्ड्स, फर्स्ट इज द पोजिशन एंड सेकेंड इज टाइम। That is the change in position of an object with respect to time, it is called motion. So हमने already previously study किया है what is mean by translation motion. Translation motion means the motion in which the body is moving along the straight line. Next type का motion आता है आपका rotational motion. Rotational motion means the body rotating about its own axis. Such a type of motions we call rotational motion. What about the rolling motion? Very simple. Rolling motion means the body possesses both translation motion as well as rotational motion. बहुत ही सिंपल है। ट्रांसलेशन मोशन मीन्स द बॉडी इज मूविंग फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट, and rotational motion means whenever body moving from one point to another point, it also perform the rotational motion about an axis. So for that we consider the one shape, that is the sphere. We consider the shape of the sphere. Now it is performing the rolling motion over the plane surface. So whenever it performing the rolling motion over the plane surface, now the body acts as a translation motion as well as rotational motion. So therefore we can calculate the total energy of the body performing the rolling motion is equal to E t plus ER. So ET means that is translation motion and ER means rotational motion. So whenever object is moving, we consider that this is the translation speed. It is rotating with angular velocity omega, having initial speed is 0. So that is u be the initial velocity, it is 0. Then v be the translation speed or velocity you can write. Then omega be the angular speed, then r be the radius of that body, m be the mass of the body, and I be the moment of inertia of a body. So we know that what is the standard formula for moment of inertia of a body? That is mk square. So where m is the mass of the body and k is the radius of gyration of the body. And next, what is the relationship between the linear velocity and angular velocity? As we know that v equal to r omega. So therefore omega equal to what? That is v divided by r. So remember, this is the most important expression. So this is the very simple how to remember topic. बहुत अच्छे से आपको याद रखना है. What we consider the sphere like shape. Now it is rolls over the plane surface. So whenever it is rolls over the plane surface, initially उसका speed जो रहेगा 0 रहेगा. After some time what happen in that case? So v be the its translation speed, omega be the angular velocity. It possesses both translation motion as well as rotational motion. So therefore we calculate the total energy. So what is the formula of total energy? That is E for total energy is equal to ET for translation energy and then ER for rotational energy. और हमें पता है what is the formula of translation energy? Translational kinetic energy. What is the formula of translation kinetic energy? Half mv square and then ER for rotational kinetic energy. So what is the formula of rotational kinetic energy? Half I omega square. So after substitute the both expressions, so we get the total energy. दोनों expression को यहाँ पे substitute करना है और we get the final answer. That is equal to first formula आपका half mv square plus second formula, that is half I omega square, and already we calculate what is the value of angular speed, that is v divided by r, and then moment of inertia of the body is mk square. तो इन दोनों को वहाँ पे सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे फिर, so we get equal to half mv square plus half what is the value of I mk square, and then omega square means, so यहाँ से omega square का आंसर आएगा v square by r square, so that is v square divided by r square. So अच्छे से इसको ऑब्जर्वेशन करना है, what we take common, so we can taking the common directly half mv square, यहाँ से भी half mv square taking common, so E equal to half mv square into bracket, so what is remaining 1 plus k square divided by r square. So this is the formula you have to remember when you solve the question of NEET JEE and CT examination. So that point of view ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना है, इसको लिखना है, 2-3 बार लिख के इसको मेमोराइज करना है, और उसके बाद जो भी फार्मूले उसको अच्छे से रिमेंबर कीजिए ताकि आप इस पे जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे नीट जेईई सीईटी पे तो आप उसको इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो. सो आई होप आप सभी को ये अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. अगर कुछ डाउट है तो आप डेफिनेटली टेक्स्ट कीजिए, और मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली प्लीज़ इसको लाइक करना, कमेंट करना और शेयर जरूर करना. थैंक यू वेरी मच.